Dear learners, I am Ahmad Noman SADIQ. Today I would like to draw a new topographical exam route question with one road closed. And the name of closed road here in this question is Gray's Inn Road. And please note that there is usually one road closure question in the topographical assessment. And also please note that the name of closed road is always written in the form of note here in the question window of topographical assessment screen. Dear learners, there is very important point to note is that TFL will never show you the closed road. It will only tell you the name of the road in the form of note in a question window, and you have to locate the road yourself. But it will be always between green and red marker of the question. For example, in this question, here it is a green marker and this is a red marker, and we have located that the Gray's Inn Road is here in between green and red marker. Now what you need to do is you have to draw a most direct route between this green and red marker, but you are not allowed to pass through this Gray's Inn Road, or you would not be allowed to go into this road. And what does it mean? It simply means you have to take the alternate route avoiding this road to reach from green to red marker. I will further explain it in a bit with big screen. Now what you need to start this question. So these are the question, these are actually the buttons. This is start drawing button, this is undo button, this is clear button, this is brightness button, and this is home button. And if you want to know the further detail of these buttons and their functionality, also the information about the topographical assessment screen, please go to my channel Noman SADIQ. You just need to write Noman, Noman SADIQ with a space in between, and you would be able to find my channel, and you would be able to watch all of the videos regarding topographical assessment and zero assessment. Now let's draw. So we will start with pressing this button, which is called as start drawing button. When I will press, the same button will become stop drawing button. And it is always a very good practice that when you finish drawing this route, you have to press this stop drawing button. But even if you have forgot, don't worry at all, it will be automatically saved. But I will suggest you to always follow the instructions, because at the end it is clearly written that repeat until the route is complete and click at stop drawing to finish. Now I will jump into the topographical interactive screen in a big screen so that you could only see this screen, which is topographical interactive screen, to understand it better. So here it is. So this is full screen, interactive screen. You can move this screen up and down, zoom in, zoom out. So everything is possible here. So this is green marker and this is the red marker. You have to draw a route between this green and red marker, but you have to draw this route in such a way that your route must be the most direct route between green and red marker. But here this is Gray's Inn Road. So Gray's Inn Road is actually starting from this point and it is ending at this point. So you would not be able to go through this road. Also you would not be able to pass through, to cross this road as well. So some people think that they could not go through but they can cross. But always remember, you would not be able to cross this road as well as you would not be able to go or enter into this road. And what does it mean? We simply have to avoid this road. We have to take the alternate route. So which possibilities could be possible? You could either go from the upside or you could go from the downside. But it is very clear, if you go from this side, from at the end here at the downside, it will be the longer route. So it is always better to go from this side. So my route plan would be, I have already planned, but simply I will briefly let you know that you could go from here. This is congestion charge zone, and the explanation regarding congestion charge zone you could find on my other videos. So you can pass through and come like this. Also, these are the restricted portion. You would not be able to pass through, but this is, if you are coming from this side, you cannot go through this because this is a restricted portion of the road. Also, this is a restricted portion of the road. But here in this way, it is half restricted. It means you cannot go in this direction, but you could come from this direction. So, if you are coming from here, that is from this direction to this direction, so then you would be able to go through. Technically, you would not be able to go from east to west, but you would be able to go from west to east. Also, there might be several possibilities. So, if you are coming from this direction, that is from here, then here, here, from here you could come from here like this, here, and here again it is one way. You would not be able to go through. Then you will be able to go here, and then ultimately you will be able to reach here. But this will be the longer way. If you come directly here, here, and from here if you come down into these streets, then here again down, and you would be able to reach at this point. So in this way you would be able to go from green to red marker, and you could complete this route just by avoiding the graze in road. Now I have planned, I will start drawing the route. So first of all, I will make it bigger. So I will start from here at the bottom of this green marker, and I will try to keep my road, I will try to keep my route towards the left hand side of the road. Even this is one way. So you could come in the middle, but it's always better approach to keep yourself towards the left hand side of the road. Even this is one way. So here I will come in this direction, and I will further continue my journey like this. This is congestion charge zone, no problem at all. From here you could come in this direction. This is nothing. You can come like this. This is not a hurdle. It might be a building, but it will not become a hurdle in your route. So you will come like this here in this way, and ultimately you would be able to reach here. But always remember, you have to start from here, from the same point at which you have left. So again you will come like this, continue your route like this, like this. As I have told you, you could also come here in this direction and reach at this point, but it's better if you continue further in this direction and come, and if you have reached at this point, then make it bigger and come like this. Now you have entered into the side street or small street. Then you will continue your journey like this, and here follow the road and then see where the end point is. So your end point is here. So continue your journey on the street like this, and ultimately you would be able to reach at this point. So in this way, now we have completed the road. We have completed our route, and we have avoided this graze in road. You could also come in opposite direction like in this here, but that will be the longer route. So we have to draw our route in such a way that our route must be the most direct route between green and red marker. And now what we need to do at the end, we just need to press stop drawing button. So I am just leaving this screen and going, and I am jumping towards the other screen. And here it is, the full screen. So I will simply press stop drawing button, and the same button now will again become start drawing button. And now you could go to the next question by pressing this next question button. And always remember, you could come again to this question by just pressing previous question button, and you could make the changes if you wish to do that. In that case, you have to again press start drawing button and make the changes, and at the end you have to press the stop drawing button. And that's the end of today's presentation. Thank you very much.